Hey guys, I'm Flumsy and I'm gonna be the host of this series, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a client base for a hacked client. So what we're going to accomplish today is setting up and installing Maven MCP and Optifine. We're gonna install Java as well, and then we are gonna fix errors and get a client running. So let's begin. Okay, so I have 4 links in the description. You'll just want to click on all 4 of them. Get Maven MCP, on source, pom.xml, and the ADK. So I'm gonna come over here and I'm just gonna download, and I will just do Maven MCP. Okay, now we have Optifine source. You're gonna scroll down to about L5. Make sure that you do L5. So you're just gonna open it, tab. You're gonna download the raw file. So we can close out of these, and now we have pom.xml. We could just raw and then save as. And we're not going to save this as a text file, we're going to save it as pom.xml. That is just for handling Maven. And now we have Java, so you're going to press Ctrl F and type 381, and you're going to download that x64 installer, but I already have it installed, so I'm just going to head straight to my desktop. Okay, so now that you have everything downloaded, we're just going to move it to the desktop, and then we're going to make a new folder, and you're going to do it the name of your client. I'm just going to call mine tutorial. Okay, so that's all of our stuff. So we're going to begin with Maven. So you're going to open up this, and you're going to open up Maven. We're just going to drag everything in here. Okay, now that now that Maven's imported, we're just going to delete these 3, and we're going to close out, and we're going to take pom.xml and put it in there. Okay, we're going to go to source, main, Java, and now we're going to deal with Optifine. We're going to take net and put it in. Okay, replace. Okay, we're going to go back and go to resources and replace assets as well. That's all good, and we're going to add one more thing. So go into assets, go into Minecraft, and we are just going to add a new folder, and we're going to call it client underscore client, and we're going to go fonts, and this will be for a custom font renderer in a future video, probably like part 3 to 4. Okay, now we're going to open up IntelliJ, and this is going to be the beginning of our journey. So you're going to press open, and you're just going to open up your now you're going to wait for it to do everything, and it is going to be it's probably going to freeze. If it does freeze, you're just gonna close it with Task Manager and reopen the project. And it all the times that I've done Maven MCP, it's froze for me, so it's pretty normal and it doesn't really break any. So while we're waiting for it to, it doesn't freeze. It froze, so I'm just gonna close it with Task Manager and reopen it. Oh, and yeah. Okay, now it should work. So we're gonna open up settings, go to plugins, and you're gonna install Lombok. Both of these are free and they're optional. You don't need them, but I like to have them. So Lombok, and we are also gonna go to enable and notation processing, and you're just gonna turn that on. Alright, now I'm just gonna wait for it to extract. Now we're gonna go to pom.xml. This is kind of initializing the client, so I'm just gonna do for the group ID, you can do kind of anything. I'm just going tutorial.client. Client ID, this cannot have spaces. That's it. Description, you can put this as anything with spaces. And now we're going to go over to client name. And this can have spaces. We're just gonna reload all Maven projects. And we're gonna sync all Maven projects. Okay, now we're gonna get our build stuff out of the way. Project structure. And you'll see that this is Java 1.8. If it isn't, you add JDK from disk. File, we're in edit configurations, application. You can name this whatever you want. I like to name it start, because this is how we're gonna start the game. Main class is also gonna be start and default package. Also, if it is like red or nothing shows up, don't worry about it, it's fine. Okay, and we are almost done. So there's like an error. We just try running it. I'll show you. So this is expected. We're just gonna remove this line. Come down here, you'll see this. You will just type central processor with brackets a processor equals new central processor braces parentheses new system info dot get hardware dot get processor. That will fix it. And we are also gonna have another error. Wait for it to load. So right here, you are gonna have an error. This, remove this. fix it. One last thing before we actually run the game, we're gonna press left shift twice. That'll open up this pop-up. And we are going to do entity render. We're gonna press Control F. Baggy, like really baggy. Let's give it another shot and see if it actually works. There we go. We're gonna press Control F and we're gonna type Optifine. And this, if you've seen other hack client tutorials, you'll every time that you join, you'll see this message. So this, just deleting this is gonna get rid of the entire thing. Now we can press run.
Young boy Brown on my kid.
Back 11 hit on, yeah, it's more than a dick. I ain't asking questions, I don't care what he did. I ain't in sure we gonna war with he rich. Ray Jordan, what a hard passing the bitch. Yeah, I'm making auto assists. Yeah, we vibe inside the pit. Yeah, I just been styling this shit. Tell bitch hurry. I start the bands in the Marys. Make smart gel like a dirty.
Now you'll see that
Glock got a curry 30. On the block like Herbie Curry.
something went wrong.
Put Janko Curtis. Yeah, man gon' want a whole nother way. Told you before, I ain't gon' tell you again. Load on the truck, we gon' come where you stay. We can't find you, we gon' hit up the friends.
It was the finals to hit up the friend. I paid the bounty, they hunt their kids. I said they climb and they blow like the wind. She said they did leave the nut on the shit. All in that land, that big body bent. Curling her back, I don't even need 10. Dirt come out and no wash of the rinse. I spotted the reds, I really got rich. Please take a second and look at my wrist. Hot boy dummies, they trickle on this. Go Scott dwellers and color the cuss. I go with your bitch, they go eat it with.
Try running it again.
Yeah, now I'm in the land, the house in the hill. Clipping below you.
That is weird.
Don't keep it real, don't care how you feel. I hit a head to talk a nigga, all is a kill. How many niggas riding like a cat at the Ville? Hang with the fake, I'm always.
We're gonna change this to test run. That's what it was.
Back 11 hit on, yeah, it's more than a dick.
Now we can run
I ain't
it.
asking questions, I don't care what he did. I ain't in sure we gonna war with he rich. Ray Jordan, what a hard passing the bitch. Yeah, I'm making auto assists. Yeah, we vibe inside the pit. Yeah, I just been styling this shit.
And that's kind of it. I'm just gonna change the settings.
Make smart gel like a dirty. I spent racks on, don't worry. Glock got a curry 30. On the block like Herbie Curry.
There we go. We have a working MCP world. So as you can see, you have blocks, works, glass, connected glass actually, from Optifine. And yeah, it's pretty nice. So in the next video, I'm just gonna try like setting up a system and kind of like just the base client. So that's it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.